बट निखिल भाई अपना फर्स्ट 11 आप प्लीज बताइए यहाँ पे।
हाँ बिल्कुल, तो अगेन हियर अजम्पशन इज के स्पिन ज्यादा मदद को नहीं मिलने वाला, अच्छा बैटिंग टेक होगा, सो दैट इज द ऑर्डर। सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट 11 दैट वी आई फील कि जायसवाल केएल ओपन, स्काई बैट्स एट स्काई बोल साई बैट्स एट 3, मैं कोई वेदर के अंदर नहीं हूँ, सॉरी, साई बैट्स एट 3, गिल गेट्स द नंबर 4 स्पॉट फॉर हिमसेल्फ, पंत एट 5, जुरेल एट 6, जडेजा 7, जैसे मैंने बोला नॉट टचिंग इट, जडेजा 7, शार्दुल 8। इसके बाद 3 पेसर्स, 2 तो श्योर है मिले, सिराज और बुमराह, फिर प्रसिद्ध अगर मुझे विकेट टेकिंग वैसा फॉर्म चाहिए, या अगर मुझे लगता है कि कुलदीप का जरूरत है तो मैं प्रसिद्ध के बदले कुलदीप खिलाऊंगा, बट अगर स्पिनर एक ही काफी है जडेजा का तो देन इट विल बी प्रसिद्ध। सो बैटिंग टिल 8 इन शार्दुल एंड यू हैव 5 बॉलर्स इन जडेजा, शार्दुल, सिराज, प्रसिद्ध, बुमराह।
Very interesting and fair to say कि मतलब starting 11 में तो at least for the first couple of tests you would expect only one spinner featuring in the playing 11, right? Ahead of someone like क्या अपना, I mean Prasidh will start ahead of someone like a Kuldeep Yadav. I'll just have this out in a bit. There you go. So Nikhil bhai's 11, just correct me if I'm wrong. Jaiswal, Rahul, Sai, then Shubman, Rishabh, Dhruv. You've got Ravindra Jadeja at number 7, Shardul at number 8, Jasprit, Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna or Kuldeep Yadav based on conditions. Somesh, what do you make of this 11, of course? Firstly, before you go on to your 11 itself, thoughts on this?
Yeah, I think this is the 11 that India will start with, and they should start with. And of course, starting में I don't think they will play Kuldeep right away unless बहुत ही ज़्यादा मतलब तगड़ी 30 डिग्री 35 डिग्री वाली सन लीडिंग अप टू द गेम दिखे हो रहे और फोरकास्ट भी वैसी हो. But there are two potential tweaks that I see them doing. Especially when Bumrah rests, then of course you might have Arshdeep come in, then Arshdeep, Siraj and Prasidh become your 3 pacers. In that case, I would play Kuldeep over Shardul. Take you are adding one more wicket-taking option. So you have both Jadeja and Kuldeep and 3 pacers. So शार्दुल का ऐसा है कि भाई अगर बॉल स्विंग वगैरह नहीं की तो उसके विकेट्स आप देखोगे तो इट्स मोस्टली अराउंड स्विंग that he gets, and he actually gets a lot more swing than your all other 3 pacers in this team. तो अगर swing नहीं मिल रहा है तो that's one option. Batting थोड़ा light हो जाएगा because Kuldeep at number 8 is not what Shardul can give you at number 8, but हमारी bowling काफी strong हो जाएगी, तो at least you are attacking on one front. इसके अलावा एक ऑप्शन और है जो होता नहीं दिख रहा, but it's a direction that India can take. They can actually play NKR over Jadeja, and even with Bumrah in the 11, then they can still play Kuldeep over Shardul. इससे you are playing your 7 best batters and 4 best bowlers. Because I feel as a batter, NKR has a higher ceiling than Jadeja, because Jadeja is towards the end of his career. He has done a phenomenal job for India. मैं कहीं से कहीं तक वो नहीं बोल रहा, and he is like this is my third 11, not even my second 11. But हाँ, अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ से Jadeja is not someone we have seen him convert those starts into big scores even in away. He has done a phenomenal job क्योंकि तुम ऊपर के 4-5 को बहुत टाइम से हमने स्ट्रगल होते हुए देखा है, स्ट्रगल करते हुए देखा है, तो जडेजा अपना काम अच्छा कर देते थे. But in terms of ceiling, I feel NKR is someone who's already scored a test 100 at MCG. So he has a higher ceiling. तो अगर आप मेरे को सिर्फ पूछोगे कि who is a better batter at this point of time, I would pick NKR over Jadeja. But then you need to counter for that in your bowling department. I don't see this happening. I don't want this to happen to begin with. I'm just saying this is a potential option that India can try.
Yeah, I want to say that would be a bit of an unpopular opinion, but interesting choice that NKR over Jadeja. But how does the team management look at it? And speaking of playing 11s, I actually like what Avenger 21 has gone for, and that was something I had in mind too. Make no mistake, this also includes my own bias for all-rounders. I've always loved having more all-rounders, but having someone like NKR, Jadeja, Shardul at 6, 7, 8. So basically, they've gone for NKR ahead of Jurel or Karuna in that slot. अगर आप एनकेआर को अच्छा बैटर मानते हो तो भाई ये कर सकते हो ना, 6 बॉलर्स हो जाएंगे आपके पास, बैटिंग टिल नंबर 8 भी है आपके पास, 5 पेसर्स भी हो जाएंगे. व्हाट्स रॉन्ग विद दिस?
कंट्रोल. ये मैं सॉरी, ये मेरे को रहा ही नहीं कि कंट्रोल इज अ मैसिव फैक्टर हियर, क्योंकि बुमराह है, ठीक है, बुमराह के साथ अर्शदीप है, बढ़िया. At this point of time, Siraj has to do a bit more than just bowl. वो bowling करेगा पूरा दिन, I have no problem with it. But if he has somebody, whether it is Shardul, whether it is NKR, if they don't give control, तो सिराज भी runs खाएगा, शार्दुल भी runs खाएगा. तो उसके बाद where is the point for you to come back into the game? We'll end up eventually bowling Bumrah a lot more, Siraj a lot more than needed because तुमको control नहीं मिल रहा है इसे. So again, the challenge here is if Shardul can give you some control, then you can 100% try these options. But we saw that in Australia also. Sometimes we stop our own minds by not giving them the bowling option. हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया में देखा कैसे जडेजा को bowling ही नहीं करा. We had to wait so long to see Jadeja bowl. So if you're not using people well, तो फिर all-rounders can be a double-edged sword. That is what I feel.
You know what this 11 tells me is you trust neither of their department to do their jobs, honestly. क्योंकि on paper it looks fantastic, but this is the exact balance that India went in Australia. In fact, वो balance तो इससे भी खराब था क्योंकि शार्दुल के सुंदर.
हाँ, exactly.
तो वो तो खैर और ही worst of all worlds था. ये this is still better because if the ball is moving, then Shardul becomes a wicket taking option. This I don't know. मतलब this just feel like थोड़ा neither here nor there. इसलिए मुझे personally वो 7-4 वाला combination सही लगा, where your number 7 is probably NKR and then your 8, 9, 10, 11 is Kuldeep plus 3 pacers. जिससे at least you are playing your 4 wicket takers and 7 proper batters, and you have NKR to pitch in with a few overs. But apart from that, I mean, इस squad में दिक्कत है अभी NKR के form का क्या आप sure नहीं हो. Sai is debuting. Gill needs to अभी he needs to prove himself. Siraj अगर
but this is where like this argument, Somesh, आप जो कह रहे हो, I agree with you. It is slightly risk averse. It seems like they're playing it safe, hedging their bets. But then I would argue in the favor of an 11 like this is exactly the reasons you mentioned. Sai यहाँ पे खेला नहीं है, Gill has to prove himself. Jaiswal यहाँ पे खेला नहीं है, KL के पास experience है, he's the only experienced batter along with Pant. That's why having more bowling options would ensure ना कि आप वैसे भी bowling attack is the same except you have an additional pacer. Arshdeep के बदले Prasidh, maybe Arshdeep Prasidh that can be
that is okay. But the point here is Jadeja, तुम first innings में Jadeja से बहुत ज़्यादा bowling नहीं कराओगे. कराओगे भी तो come in and ball ना. But NKR में bowling कराओगे. I mean, what is the proof कि तुम उससे you will use him as a proper bowler in conditions में?
I'll give you the vibe this gives. This is a GT test level. इतने सारे bowling options है, but the catch is अगर आप सोच रहे हो तो you have to think all scenarios. But if the ball is swinging and you lose 3 early, the game is gone. If you lose 3 early in this 11, भाई there is how do you then figure out a way कि भाई पंत NKR जडेजा शार्दुल आपको 250-300 लेके जाएंगे अगर बॉल बहुत घूम रहा है तो.
भाई मैं बोलूंगा लेके जा सकता है, मतलब मैं तो बोलूंगा
see on paper again the point is this is good on paper if Gill was very in his best kind of test form के अपने पीक पे है. पंत has had his first low test series जहाँ पे a clear plan is emerging कि भाई उसको ओवर द विकेट से बॉल अक्रॉस लेके जाओ तो वो आउट हो जाएगा. NKR अभी शॉर्ट बॉल पे टेस्ट हो रहा है. जडेजा अभी सोमेश ने बताया sometimes it doesn't come good with the big knocks. तो there is too much to then hedge on. और अगर ये फॉर्म में होता है तो you can still play this कि yes everybody of them is in great form. Gill is scoring lot of runs, Pant is scoring lot of runs, NKR का भी अपने को टेंशन नहीं. तो फॉर्म यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा फैक्टर है. अगर फॉर्म होता तो you could try this, but फॉर्म नहीं है, पोजीशन भी पता नहीं, तो this could actually be a very 80 for 6 kind of a scorecard, which can happen with the main team also for all we care. But the point is, it is more likely कि वो now as compared to यहाँ पे just because of recent test form that also.
No, agreed, of course, and like I said up top, फिर से बोलूंगा कि यार there's a lot of bias involved because I personally love stacking my 11s with all-rounders simply because I like the idea of having more options, especially Test cricket में, given that Bumrah himself is not exactly fully fit, so you would want to have just that one more option कि यार ठीक है अपने पास workhorses के नाम पे सिर्फ एक ही बंदा है मोहम्मद सिराज, तो maybe NKR can just come in and ensure एक एंड से बहुत ज्यादा रन ना खाए. बट अगेन फ्लैट ट्रैक्स रहा तो भाई वो भी शायद I'll also out of the window when NKR starts conceding at 7 or 8 runs per over might work again.
एक चीज है which works in the favor of this squad if NKR as a batter in even A games proves to be कि भाई मतलब he's starting very left from MCG, then this squad actually works because अभी it feels a better light. But अगर आप obviously इसको थोड़ा if you dig it deeper, you're replacing NKR with in your ideal 11, तुम NKR की जगह जुरेल या करुण नायर खिलाओगे. Neither of them are a certainty to click, क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो अभी ऐसा proven तो वो भी नहीं है. So from that perspective, I feel I mean, after actually looking at this squad and discussing, maybe it's not that bad as it looked in the first impression.